Overnight rain could cause some issues for the morning commute tomorrow, especially if not all of it is gone, and certainly some slick conditions. So weather impact alert, mainly overnight rain, but again, some of that could linger into the early morning. Right now, all of the rain is either well to our north or a bit farther to our west. Rainfall moving in here not until later on tonight. And this is all associated with a cold front that'll be moving in not too long behind the rainfall, with falling temperatures later tomorrow afternoon and evening. So while today got into the lower 70s, tomorrow we stay in the 50s. Now, as far as the timing for that rain goes, we're showing at the top of the newscast, really not moving into, say, right around the state line until about 11 o'clock. So most of us don't see rain until more so toward midnight and after. Not anticipating severe weather, not expecting any heavy rains, but the rains will be with us during the morning, and then probably by the morning commute 6, 7 a.m. from the city down toward the coast will have already started drying out on the North Shore, and by 9 a.m. I think most of the rain is moving out, and we'll already start to see some sunshine north and west, and then continuing to clear out through the rest of the day. So most of the day tomorrow, Wednesday, is going to be very nice, with the exception of that early morning cloudiness and rain. We also remain chilly going through Friday morning. Friday afternoon, however, we already start to see more of a westerly or southwesterly wind. That starts warming us up, so turning warmer by Friday afternoon, and just in time for our 3-day stretch of parades. Great weather coming. 72 degrees was our afternoon high today after a morning start in the 30s and 40s. 41 was our morning low at Kenner. We were in the 30s on the North Shore. Not quite freezing, but did see likely patchy frost on the North Shore. We're in the 60s outside at the moment, and higher humidity, 40s and 50s. So those temperatures overnight tonight are not going to be dropping much, and we're really not going to warm up much during the day. And it has been breezy all day. In fact, winds have been diminishing a bit as they'd been gusting at times to almost 30 miles an hour. Warmer air is still present across the southeast, but there is another surge of colder air. However, this time the colder air is not coming at us from the Arctic. This is going to be a chilly air mass, yes, but only expecting at our coldest some light freezes on the North Shore, and that'll be Thursday and Friday morning. And then as we head toward the weekend and a big stretch of parades, most of that cold air is already leaving us and warmer air starts moving in. Does look like more Arctic air moving toward the New England states, but not coming down to the Gulf South. In fact, I think the Arctic air is just about done for us through and beyond Mardi Gras Day. Not to say you can't see it again late February or going into March, but certainly for the next couple of weeks, we likely will remain warmer than average. And this is through February 17th, which is Mardi Gras Day. So looking ahead, no more Arctic air in sight, an overall warming trend, and gorgeous weather on the way for this weekend. Our mornings are chilly, yes, especially Friday morning, but by the afternoon Friday, again, we'll have that westerly wind, 65 degrees. So heading out to the parades that evening, 60s to 50s, near 70 degrees Saturday afternoon, and in the low 70s on Sunday. So maybe some light jackets for the evening parades, but during the day, weather is ideal. So kind of the first half of the day, we have a weather impact alert. Rest of the day, very nice, gorgeous weather, and milder as we head into the weekend, and highs stay in the low 70s early next week.